Alright guys, some video for Wally's ASM 375. That one. Alright, go down and type live. Timestamp 7:51. 7:51. 7:51. Back to the red. Get the names. Copy. Here. Shh. Wally ASM 375. Names. 30. Was it 30? 30. Okay. 30 names. I'll scroll through them real quick. Names. Alright. February 8th, 2017, 7:52 p.m. I'm going to roll 3 dice. Holy shit, that's loud. Alright, 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Alright, there we go. 1. Yes. 1. Timestamp. Whatever. 52, 52, 52. Alright. 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Next one's for the winner. Congratulations, Jerry Rebstock, spot number 22. You are the winner. PM Wally once you've seen the video. 7:53, 7:53. I'm going to go down here. I'm going to get my code. Copy. Back to the giveaway. Once again. 22 Jerry Rebstock. Can you guys be quiet? 22 Jerry Rebstock is the winner. Back over here. Down. Alright, current local time. 7:53. 7:53. We're done. And here is your confirmation code. And we're good. Alright, thanks guys.